In this video, we are going to walk through consolidated configuration choices and reports mapping. In order to do this, you're going to go all the way to the end of this work plan and click on Configuration. In rows 1 to 11, it is a summary of what you're going to be completing, which I'm going to walk through in this video. As I scroll down, we're going to walk through each one of these configuration choices one by one. The first question is asking, what website address do you want for the CPIMS Plus? For example, it can be cpims-dadab.primero.org. That XXX can basically be substituted for any location as agreed to by the partners. This is required to be able to set up the system. Once you have decided on the URL, you will put them in cell E14. The next question is talking about forms and fields. Right now, the CPIMS Plus baseline forms and fields are the interagency forms, and those are standardized. They can all be customized. If there is going to be any customization, this is where we note that under the notes and the status. There are baseline reports already pre-configured into the CPIMS Plus, which you can see under the Reports tab. If there are specific types of reporting needs that you require, we request that all partners agree to those reports that need to be configured into the system, and those can be entered in here under the notes. This would include the types of information that needs to appear in these reports so they can be properly configured. In the previous video, we walked through the referrals. If we are not using the interagency referral form and there are specific referral forms that need to be created in the system, you can put any notes on that here. If there needs to be interoperability between Progress and Primero, or if that is a request, indicate that here. If there are specific language needs for the system, you can turn those on and off and indicate which requirements that you have for languages here. We are going to go through the locations in the next video, so I will skip over this one for now. Currently, all email notifications are set up to be turned on in the system. What that means is if a user is created in the system, they will receive a welcome email. These welcome emails are all generic. In the previous video, we walked through agencies and services, and we talked about if the agency logo should appear on the CPIMS Plus interface and if it should also appear on the PDFs. If they are to appear on the website, we indicate them here. If there's a specific logo that should only appear on the PDFs, you can indicate those here. Once this information is complete, we will be able to set up the system accordingly.